Welcome to the ultimate treasure hunt, where pocket change could be your ticket to millions. If you've got old USA bicentennial coins lying around, don't spend them just yet. You might be holding a hidden fortune. From rare minting errors to ultra-valuable silver strikes, some of these coins are worth thousands, even millions of dollars. Stick around as we uncover the most valuable, rare bicentennial coins that could turn your spare change into a life-changing payday. Let's dive into the world where history meets hidden wealth. Let's get started. Hidden among the loose change in jars, drawers, or forgotten collections might lie a treasure beyond your imagination. Rare and valuable bicentennial United States coins. These coins, especially from the 1976 bicentennial series, celebrate America's 200th year of independence and hold a unique place in numismatic history. However, what elevates certain bicentennial coins into the realm of multi-million-dollar status isn't just their commemorative designs, it's the extraordinary combination of rarity, minting errors, condition, and historical value that transforms them from common currency to legendary fortune makers. The bicentennial coinage, minted in 1975 and 1976, includes the iconic quarter, half dollar, and dollar coins featuring dual dates, 1776-1976. What makes some of these coins phenomenally valuable is their production in limited numbers, sometimes as test strikes, uncirculated proof editions, or coins made with experimental metal compositions. Imagine stumbling upon a bicentennial quarter struck in 40% silver, in flawless uncirculated condition, with a misprint or double die error. Its value could skyrocket from 25 cents to tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars depending on its grade and uniqueness. Among the most coveted pieces are the 1976 silver-proof bicentennial sets, particularly those in deep cameo condition graded PR70 by professional grading services. These coins shimmer with mirror-like brilliance and untouched perfection, often selling for thousands. But even rarer are the off-metal strikes and planchet errors, such as bicentennial quarters mistakenly struck on nickel or penny planchets, or with a misaligned die. These are the unicorns of coin collecting, and their auction prices reflect that status, sometimes reaching into 6- or even 7-figure territory. The story doesn't end with just bicentennial coins. Imagine stumbling upon a 1908 Indian head gold coin or a Saint-Gaudens double eagle from the same year, hiding in plain sight. These are not just pieces of history. They're golden keys to life-changing wealth. The 1908 no-motto Saint-Gaudens double eagle, for example, is not only a visual masterpiece of American coinage, but also fetches astronomical prices at auction, especially in mint condition. Combine such historic gold pieces with the popularity of bicentennial collectibles, and you have a realm of coin collecting that teeters on the edge of myth and miracle. Collectors and investors alike know that the difference between a standard coin and a multi-million-dollar rarity often comes down to minute details: mint marks, die varieties, condition, and provenance. A coin from a common year might be worth pocket change, while the same coin with a tiny mint error or from a specific mint can be worth a staggering sum. This is especially true for bicentennial coins from the Denver or San Francisco mints with rare varieties. The thrill lies in the hunt, and every coin you examine could be your gateway to an unexpected fortune. In recent years, auction houses have witnessed bidding wars over bicentennial coins that defy belief. One coin collector reportedly sold a rare 1976 bicentennial Eisenhower dollar, struck in silver with a rare die variety and perfect grading, for over $1 million. Stories like these fuel the dreams of everyday people who start checking their old jars and inherited coin albums, realizing that a simple coin might contain the potential for luxury, freedom, or even generational wealth. It's not fantasy. It's happened, and it could happen again. But beware. The true value of these coins is often hidden in plain sight, misunderstood by the untrained eye. A coin may look old or worn, but might still carry incredible value due to its historical context or hidden minting flaw. This is why collectors emphasize the importance of professional grading and authentication. If you bicentennial so before you spend that dusty bicentennial quarter or ignore that forgotten half dollar, think again. You may not just be handling spare change. You could be holding a masterpiece, a rare gem of Americana with the power to alter your destiny. Coin collecting isn't just a hobby. For some, it's a pathway to fortune, fame, and financial freedom. If fortune favors the bold, then perhaps it also favors the curious, the ones who look a little closer, dig a little deeper, and recognize that the smallest things can hold the greatest worth. Second, up in the world of numismatics, the study and collection of currency, few discoveries can rival the thrill of finding a rare and extremely valuable coin in your own possession. Among the most captivating of these treasures are the rare, bicentennial United States coins, which continue to spark intense interest and wild speculation among collectors and enthusiasts alike. These coins, especially those minted in the mid-1970s to commemorate America's 200th birthday, carry not only immense historical value, but in some rare cases, staggering monetary worth that can climb into the millions. But what exactly makes these coins so special? And could you be holding a fortune in the palm of your hand without even realizing it? The bicentennial coins, minted in 1975 and 1976, were issued to celebrate 200 years of American independence. These include special editions of the quarter, half-dollar, and dollar coins, all redesigned with unique reverse images and stamped with the dual date, 1776-1976. While millions were produced and used in everyday circulation, a tiny fraction were struck with special errors, proof finishes, or rare metals, instantly making them numismatic gold mines. Some were even minted in silver rather than the usual copper-nickel composition, dramatically increasing their value depending on their condition, strike quality, and rarity. What many don't realize is that among these billions of coins, a few elusive varieties have fetched jaw-dropping sums at auction houses. Consider the legendary 1976 bicentennial quarter struck on a 40% silver plancher with a rare die error. Such a coin can easily command tens of thousands of dollars. But even more astonishing are misstruck coins, or coins struck on the wrong plancher entirely, which have been known to sell for six figures or more. The key to their value lies in the combination of error rarity, pristine condition, often graded as MS67 or higher, and collector demand. If you happen to discover one of these marvels in your collection or pocket change, you could be holding a piece of American history worth more than your car, or even your house. Yet the story doesn't end with bicentennial coins alone. Older United States coins, such as the ultra-rare 1907 Saint-Gaudens double eagle, are among the most expensive coins ever sold, with one specimen commanding over $7.5 million at auction. What makes this coin so revered is not just its limited mintage or breathtaking design, but its connection to a fascinating era of U.S. monetary history. The early 20th century was a period of transition and innovation in American coinage, and coins from this era, especially gold and silver issues, are now considered numismatic royalty. Owning one of these coins is like owning a slice of Americana, frozen in time and glowing with unthinkable value. It's important to realize that the rare coin market isn't solely the domain of elite collectors or auction giants. Everyday people have stumbled upon valuable treasures in the most mundane places: flea markets, estate sales, even their own loose change jars. One of the most compelling examples is the discovery of a rare bicentennial quarter in a grandmother's purse, later authenticated and appraised for over $15,000. The lesson here is clear. Never dismiss an old coin based on its face value alone. What appears to be a simple 25-cent piece could, under the right circumstances, change your financial destiny overnight. Collectors also prize what are known as proof coins, which are specially struck by the U.S. Mint for collectors and not intended for circulation. These proof bicentennial coins, especially those with a deep cameo finish or struck in silver, are highly sought after today. Some of these coins were issued in limited edition sets, which now fetch thousands of dollars, especially if still sealed in their original packaging. The clean strike, mirror-like surfaces, and sharp detail of proof coins make them visually stunning and financially rewarding. While the general public may see coins as mundane pocket change, collectors view them as tangible artifacts of American history. A rare coin is more than just metal. It's a story, a legacy, and potentially a life-changing asset. With inflation rising and traditional assets fluctuating wildly, the value of tangible historical artifacts like rare coins has surged. The bicentennial coins, especially those with unique anomalies or, in conclusion, the next time you hold a coin, especially one from 1976 or earlier, pause and take a closer look. Could it be one of the elusive multi-million-dollar pieces whispered about in numismatic circles? Could that humble quarter in your pocket be your ticket to unimaginable wealth? The possibility is real. The stories are true, and history has proven time and again that some of the most valuable treasures often hide in plain sight. Your fortune might not be locked away in a vault or a stock portfolio. It could be jingling in your pocket right now.